Hello everybody, welcome to my daily chart for today, August 21st, 2012. We're in a we're in a 15 minutes chart of Euro US dollar, and we have a euro that's appreciating against the dollar, giving us a pretty good trading opportunity to go long on this market. Here we go. The price is breaking through this resistance zone formed by these two key levels of 12400, 12380. Pretty important resistance zone for the euro versus the dollar. Price moves right through it. The MACD confirms that. It had been contained within this trading range for all morning. Now the first dot of the MACD of the indicator is being plotted above the Bollinger Bands, away from its zero line, confirming this move. So we are long in the market with the stop loss set just below this resistance line, turned into a support line right now, with the take profit target set somewhere above around some key resistance levels. We know that usually we don't expect these take profit targets to be reached all the time. They're a little bit more for safety than for anything else. We like to manage our trades manually. So here is our take profit limit. Few minutes later, we got a little bit of a profit. We moved our stop loss just below this last bar because we have some aggressive moves in the price. Always it's a good idea to move these stop losses according to the price movements, because when we have price movements as aggressive as these ones, we know they don't last, so we want to lock in any profits that they may generate. The MACD confirms that move. So we see the second dot being plotted high above the zero line, taking the MACD even further into the positive territory, confirming that the trend is getting momentum. The take profit limit is unchanged. This chart, we switched to candlestick chart from bar chart, and we were taken out from the trade by this retracement, which caught our stop loss. We see right here this chart pattern forming after this aggressive move. Always when we have these flags, these symmetrical chart patterns, we see it's pretty symmetrical, this chart pattern. We can expect the trend to continue. These chart patterns are pretty good indicators of trend continuation. We have the MACD actually not breaking through its Bollinger Band zone, sliding off of the lower one, although they are getting narrower. They're getting to this choke point, so we got to be careful. We enter long on this second one, stop loss just below this chart pattern. The take profit limit pushed a little bit higher, entry point right just above this chart pattern as soon as the price broke out of it. We got a little bit of a profit after a few candles, and here we go. The price went our way, confirming our trade. We get some pretty good profits out of it. The MACD never went below the Bollinger Band, staying all the time within the zone and then moving above it, confirming that these retracements actually were retracements and they were not reversals, allowing us to stay in a trade and maximize the full profit of it. So it was a pretty good trade, with the price moving aggressively in a very short time and generating good profits. Thank you very much for being with us, and we expect you another session of Daily Chart.